Hi, kids! Ready to have some fun? Let's go! Today, we will solve easy math problems together. Can you answer before I do? Let's see how many you get right. Ready? Let's begin! Number 1. What is 2 plus 2? The answer is 4. Did you get it right? Great job! Number 2. What is 1 plus 5? The answer is 6. Did you get the answer right? Awesome! Number 3. What is 3 plus 4? The answer is 7. You are doing great! Number 4. What is 6 plus 2? The answer is 8. Fantastic! Number 5. What is 1 plus 2? The answer is 3. Wow! Number 6. What is 3 plus 3? The answer is 6. Good job! Number 7. What is 5 plus 3? The answer is 8. Good job! Number 8. What is 4 plus 4? The answer is 8. Awesome! Number 9. What is 2 plus 5? The answer is 7. Wow! Number 10. What is 4 plus 5? The answer is 9. Amazing! If you got lots of answers right, clap 3 times. Now, let's try subtraction. Number 11. What is 2 minus 1? The answer is 1. Great! Number 12. What is 6 minus 5? The answer is 1. Great! Number 13. What is 7 minus 3? The answer is 4. Great! Number 14. What is 4 minus 1? The answer is 3. Great! Number 15. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. Great! Number 16. What is 9 minus 5? The answer is 4. Awesome! Number 17. What is 5 minus 3? The answer is 2. Awesome! Number 18. What is 4 minus 4? The answer is 0.
Awesome!
Number 19. What is 5 minus 2?
The answer is 3.
Wow!
Number 20. What is 5 minus 4? The answer is 1.
Good job! Amazing work, math friends! Today we solved 10 addition questions and 10 subtraction questions. You did a fantastic job. See you in the next math adventure. Bye-bye!